Hey mamas, welcome back to the Mama Lounge. My name is Sarah, and in today's video, I will be showing you a quick and easy winter craft idea that you can do with the kiddos. This video is also a collaboration with my friend Alicia over at Happily Ever Minimal. Head over to her channel, you guys, and get even more craft inspiration for winter. Let's jump right into the video and get started. Alright you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this super easy craft idea that you can do on the fly with the kiddos. Make sure to stop over to Alicia's channel. You are going to love it, you guys. Subscribe, let her know that I sent you, and check out her craft video. Alright, that is it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!